Children are our future. Can we bring sunshine into their lives? According to a 2009 survey, 73% of youth are not educated. Will education continue to be an unequal dream for the children of India?
कुठल्याही हॉटेलमध्ये किंवा किराणा दुकानामध्ये किंवा कुठल्याही ठिकाणी 15 वर्षाच्या खालील मुले कसल्याही प्रकारचे रोजंदारी किंवा मजुरी करू शकत नाही. त्याने गुन्हा आहे.
The RTE, that is, the Right to Education Act of the Indian Constitution, labeled the Sunshine Law, came into force on April 1, 2010. Main provisions of the Act are: every child between the age group of 6 and 14 years shall have the right to free and compulsory education in a neighborhood school till completion of elementary education. No child shall be compelled to pay any kind of fee which may prevent him from pursuing and completing elementary education.
But what do people think about RTE Act?
Right to Education Act, they are asking us to help these boys, all those in India, not to stay at home but to go to school.
बच्चे सातवीं पढ़ के छोड़ दे बाद में पढ़ाई के लिए 10-15 हज़ार रुपये एडमिशन मांगने के लिए सोचते हैं. नहीं, हम लोग को ऐसा कुछ पता ही नहीं. अगर पता होता तो हम लोग भेजते. अभी 2 साल से लड़की घर में.
There are people, rich in deeds, doing their bit to keep these children of God motivated.
We used to hang out here. We were in Bosco, then we came to Khalsa. We used to hang out here itself, and we used to see these kids earlier. Their elder sisters and brothers, they used to beg here around. We used to look at them and just, they used to come every day evening begging for money. Just sit around here and just say like, okay, we'll do something for them, we'll do something for them.
पहले हम स्कूल नहीं जाते थे और लोग हमें कहते थे कि स्कूल जाना चाहिए, पर हम लोग इतना ध्यान नहीं देते थे. पर जब से हम लोग स्कूल जाने लगे ना, तब से हमें पता चल रहा है कि स्कूल का महत्व क्या होता है और पढ़ाई का. मतलब हर कोई अगर उसकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ बनना चाहता है, तो उसकी हॉबीज़ पूरी करना चाहता है, तो उसे पढ़ाई ज़रूरी होती है.
When I was very small and I don't know what the education, so I used to travel all over by train. I remember I used to sit in any train and I don't know where I want to go. I want to be a software engineer.
Experience the power of education.